Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a little quick unboxing and first impressions on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra clear case. Maybe you're coming from the unboxing and first impressions of the Galaxy S24 Ultra right over here. I got mine in the titanium black color with the 256GB configuration. If you haven't checked out the unboxing and first impressions, please make sure to go check it out right up here at the top right, and the video link is going to be down in the description below as well. And so today I want to check out this very simple clear case from Samsung. Many people will probably be buying, third-party cases, but Samsung does also offer a decent lineup of cases, and today I want to just get the clear case for the S24 Ultra to just enjoy the beautiful titanium black color of that S24 Ultra. I'm going to be saying S24 Ultra a lot in this video, but without any further ado, let's pull this case right out. The box came a little damaged, which is kind of a bummer, but it's all good. We're just gonna take that plastic right off there, and here we are greeted with the case itself in this other packaging to protect it very nicely, and there you go. So straight out of the box, it does very feel like a hard shell case, clear case, very simple. You can see that even at the bottom we have no sort of coverage for the most part. And let's see if we get some good camera protection, because as I mentioned in my unboxing and first impressions, the lenses of the S24 Ultra are pretty huge. And so we're just gonna pop the case straight in there. As you guys can see, if I could get a good fit, I do actually need to pop out the S Pen to properly put it into the case, and then I could put the S Pen back into here. And so here is the case on the phone. You can see that the lens protection is pretty decent, and this is what it looks like, just a standard clear case to protect the beauty and the back of your S24 Ultra. It is pretty nice that the S Pen is nicely snugged in there, and I'm still able to take it out with a lot of usability and ease. This is what it looks like at the front. Right here you have some very tactile buttons. Honestly, the clicking experience is pretty good, pretty decent, pretty responsive, and this is what the case looks like. It is very simple. It is very get to the point. I want to keep the beauty of my phone, but still have some sort of level of protection. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys would like to see some more Samsung case unboxing and first impressions. Would I recommend it for a, clear case? Not necessarily. I feel like there are many better third-party options out there that are kind of more stylish, offer more protection. But if you're just a Samsung, fanboy, just like I'm an Apple fanboy, maybe you're just gonna pick up this case at the Samsung store. So why not? It does what it needs to do. It looks nice, it's sleek, it's clean, and it's minimal. As for the screen protection, again, it's minimal, nothing too crazy, just like the camera. Nothing too crazy for that protection. If you guys enjoyed this short little unboxing and first impressions of the S24 Ultra clear case, please make sure to smash that like button to let me know and comment down below your thoughts. It's been Alex from Techrific, and make sure to go follow my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, where I try to update you guys on the daily with what's going on in my tech journey. And until then, stay tuned for the day in the life video where I'm going to be pitting the S24 Ultra, the Galaxy Buds FE, as well as the S24 Ultra clear case to the test. Until then, stay techie, and I'll see you guys in the next one.